This is Leetcode, sum of the two integers. So we are given two integers. We need to return the sum of the two without using the plus or minus sign. If you have ever studied the fundamental concept of how the computation works in computer logic, you realize that there's actually no plus or minus sign in the computer logic. So this is the decimal numbers where the human beings understand. But actually in the computer logic, it's actually the binary number. So in decimal numbers, if 9 plus 13, we'll get 22. In binary, we'll get 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. And if you try to look at the pattern here, you'll actually see if the numbers, for example, 1, 1, they are the same, then the result should be 0. If 0, 0, the result should be 0 as well. Just forget about the carry. We need to bring in the concept of XOR. If those two numbers, they are different, then we'll get 1. If they are the same, then we'll get 0. Now, how do we get the carry? You can see this is the carry and this is the carry. The first carry, it's actually those 1 plus 1. And then the second carry is actually this 1 plus 1. So originally, the calculation is performed on this spot and this spot. So the carry is actually shift to the left by 1. So if we only talking about the carry, it's actually 1, 0, 1 that shift to the left by 1 position. So it becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, and 0. And in order to get this, we need to have the AND operation. And in order to have this, we need to have the shift by 1 operation. And here's the Python code. Please keep that in mind that we need to declare a maximum 32 bits integer, because if b is equal to -1 or b is a negative number, then it can go beyond 32 bits integer. So if we declare a maximum number here, and then if we add an AND operation here, we can keep the result within the 32 bits. And we add a while loop to make sure the carry is always above 0. If it is not, that means we don't have any carry. So we can end the operation.